everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really small haul for you. I just wanted to show you what I picked up this weekend. It's just some few things. I didn't really do any shopping except we hit our favorite thrift store and I picked up a few things there. My husband and son bought some books. We always buy books. We have a ton of books. I have to go through my books. That's part of my New Year's resolution. I'm going to go through my books and I got to get rid of some books. I really do. It's hard when you're thrifting and you find some really cool books, and like our favorite thrift store sells the books for $1. I mean, it's hard not to pick them up. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn around and take books back to her and donate them. And she can resell them, hopefully. But anyway, they bought books. Nathan actually picked up a couple of Blu-rays. So, yeah, I mean, I picked up some floral picks, but I've already arranged them, so I'm not going to show you those. It was a lot cheaper than buying them at Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby's already, what, 50% off now? I mean, I got a ton of stuff, just like for pennies. So, but anyway. You're not here for that. I will show you what I did pick up. First, I did place an Amazon order. Let me show you. It's right here. I bought a new phone case. I have a iPhone 8 Plus. It's good enough for me. I don't need a newer iPhone. This works fine for me. I did need a new case. So I picked up this case on Amazon. I'll link it below if you're interested. It is an affiliate link, just to let you know. But I've had this case before on a previous phone. And I really liked it. And I'm like, yeah, I need a new case. I'm just going to pick this one up. So I got that. I also, while I was in Amazon, I got Christmas presents, which I'm not going to show you. And because they're for my family. Not that they would see this, but it doesn't matter. I got this Essence lip oil. I said I wanted to get some more lip oils. I'll link this down below. I don't remember how much I paid for this. It wasn't much. So I got an Essence lip oil as well. So I'm going to just add that to my things. Now, at my favorite thrift store, she had these stickers. They're marked. They were $1 at, I guess, Dollar Tree or Dollar General or something like that. She's got 50 cents on them. Because I bought so many of those Christmas picks, she just gave me these. Well, plus we bought a ton of, the boys bought a bunch of books. But yeah, she just threw those in. She's become a really nice friend. We're there every week. And so yeah, she just, you can have them. Just take them. So those were free. I got this book because, of course, I wasn't going to get a book. I looked around, and I'm like, I don't need a book. And I don't know, this one just caught my eye. Like I said, books are $1. This is Enchanted Evenings. It's a cookbook. Dinners, suppers, picnics, and parties. And I've gone through this book. There's some really great recipes in here. Just lots of wonderful photographs. There's cocktail recipes. There's recipes for small parties, a dinner party for 4, and then grand parties for up to 50, and wedding rehearsal buffet dinner for 20. There's a lot of great recipes in here, and so I thought, well, it's $1. I'm going to get this, and I sat out last night on our back porch by our fireplace and just looked at my book and drank some Russian tea and just had a good evening. Yeah, there's a lot of good things in here. And this book is, it was printed in 1990. So it is considered a vintage cookbook. In 1992, this book was given to Mom. Merry Christmas, Mom, from Cindy and Trey. And I don't know if Cindy wrote in the book or if Mom wrote in the book, but I think Mom made some recipes with this. Especially there's some dressing, salad dressing that it seems like she really likes. Some salad recipes, and then I I think Mom liked her cocktails. So yeah, I like this book. I enjoy this book. I think I'm gonna have to do like the what is that? KonMari method. It's gonna have to really spark joy, otherwise the books need to get out of my collection because I have nowhere else to put books. But I buy them anyway. And then the last thing I'm gonna show you from my favorite thrift store was this. I pulled the tag off and I thought, oh yeah, I bet you want to see it. Just $1.95. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this ornament. And I'm not sure what it's made of. Ceramic, maybe? I don't know. But for $1.95, I bought it. I thought, this is really pretty. It's really nice. So, yeah, it feels it's heavy. It's heavy. It's not lightweight. But it doesn't feel like it would shatter. But it's not plastic. I don't know. I don't know what it's made of. It's cold to the touch. I don't know. Let me move this back here. Then, the only other thing I bought was Audi candles. And I bought one of each that I saw out. I don't know if there was a fourth one. If there was, I didn't see it. Grocery stores were packed on Saturday because of Thanksgiving coming up. So I was having a hard time trying to look and see. They did have some other candles, another line that were Christmas trees and like a Christmas ornament and a Christmas tree. And they were like the mercury glass look, you know, the silver or kind of a goldish tint. Not gold, just maybe like a champagne. I told myself, oh, I love those. And I'm like, stop. Just stop. But I did get these. Do I need these? No. No. Who needs more gnomes in their life? Do you know how many gnome candles, Audi candles I have sitting around? The empty, because I've burnt the candle. And I've gnomes for every holiday. I have a gnome from either last Christmas, Christmas before. I don't know. Well, we're going to add some more gnomes. So let me show you what I got. This one. Look at this. It's a tree. I have a thing for Christmas trees. I have come to realize I have a thing for Christmas trees. I have lots of little different types of little Christmas trees on my mantle. So, yeah, he's cute. One wick. He smells like hard candy. Do you know what I'm talking about? My mom always bought this hard candy and had it. My mother had this Lazy Susan that my brother sent her from Vietnam. Had all these little different compartments. And at Christmas, this always meant Christmas. The compartments she had different candies in. She would have these hard Christmas candies that looked like they had little designs in them. You know what I'm talking about? And then she would get the Brock's candies. She would get the chocolate stars, the chocolate covered raisins, the chocolate covered peanuts. You know, she'd have caramels, the wrapped, you know, the Brock's caramels wrapped, and they'd be in the section. And there were all these different kinds of candies. There were Brock's, the little nougats with the different colored like gummies in them. I don't know. Anyway, that was Christmas to me. And when I find those hard candies, I usually buy them at Christmas. I found them, I didn't buy them. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to eat them. I'm not going crazy this year with snacks, and it's just us. Don't do it. We don't need to be eating it. So anyway, that's what this smells like. I went down that little tangent there. This smells like those candies. Exactly. It's called Tree. I cannot read anymore. I'm going to have to get some glasses. Some new glasses. Eucalyptus, Artemis, and cedarwood. That's not what I get. I get Christmas candy. Hard candy. But anyway, that is Tree. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, I love this color. I bought these. I never smelled them. This has a bakery scent to it. What is this one called? Gingerbread. There we go. It smells like gingerbread. Ginger, rosewood, and tonka. Thank you, Audi, for adding the notes. Yeah, it smells like gingerbread. Look at that. That's just so cute. And then here's our last one. This one's different. Look. It's like nutcracker. I'm having a harder time smelling this one. It's called nutcracker. Bergamot, jasmine, and musk. It's not coming across as strong as the other two. I'm not getting any kind of specific feeling or I don't know. I mean, it smells nice, but to me, I'm not associating the scent with anything. But it's nice. So yeah, I didn't see any others. Like I said, usually they come out in 4s, 2s or 4s. Maybe they just come out with 3, but like I said, it was packed. The store was packed, but yeah, I got those. These will, when I ever get to them, I'll let you know. I wanted to show you these because they might not get used this year because I'm currently burning a Christmas tree candle from 2 years ago, I believe. That I think last year I just sat it out. I don't think I picked it up last year. I think it's from the year before that. So, yeah, these may make it into rotation this year. They may get put away till next year, but I did want to show you how cute they are. Maybe I'll just have a collection of gnomes. I didn't know I was a gnome person, but when you see how cute these are. Oh, let me turn the how backwards. There we go. Look. They're just darling. So, that's it. That's my little haul. I don't really have anything else. I didn't do a lot of me shopping this weekend. I don't think I did a lot of shopping anyway. Mainly grocery stores. I hit 4 different grocery stores, people. 4 different grocery stores I went to this past weekend. Yeah. So anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.